Okay, today we want to look at how to set up one of these bad boys. This is called a positioner. That's right. And this one here has 32 memories. So this is Superstar Jack EZ 2000 plus. We have different types of positioners. This is just one of them, and this bad boy here happens to have 32 memories, meaning we can store 32 different satellite positions with this boy over here. So let's go in and see how to connect it to our actuator, both the motor and the limit cables. Alright, so this is the cable coming in from the actuator, and as you can see we have 4 over here. Alright, so these 2 are coming from my motor. On the actuator you have M1, M2, and then sensor cables down over here. So what you do is that you connect these cables in the same order as you have on the actuator. So on my actuator, M1 is this one over here, and I've combined them to allow more current to pass through. So we simply connect this to M1 over here. So let me okay, so M1 over here is top, so we connect first one to M1, and then this right here, white, orange and orange, we connect to M2. So like I said earlier on, you only connect the same order as you have over there, and then my brown goes to sense, and then this is the limit. Okay, and that is what we have. So you have M1, M2 for your motor, and then the limit switches over here. That is the sensors for the limit switch. So guys, this is how we connect the EZ 2000 plus positioner to the actuator. So we have power. Okay, so this bad boy is ready to go. Let's see if it works. So we turn it on with the remote. Comes with a nice remote with all the positions. We have store, reset, power, and then from 1 to 32 over here. This button here is for moving to the left, that is east, and this is for moving to the right. Alright, so let's see if it works. Power it on. Good. And this shows it's on, and it shows it's not programmed. And let's see. Yes, exactly. And as you can see, it moves. So when you press this button and the signal here is rather showing it's going this way, you need to reverse the limit sensor. That means you have turned it. That is why I said you must strictly wire it according to, it must be equal to what you have on the actuator in the same order. So this is how we wire the EZ 2000 plus. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share with your friends.